I'm about to pick the biggest watermelon that I have so far, and I'm really excited about it. Okay, I have some really good indications that it's ripe and that it's going to be really sweet. I can't tell you if it is the orange tender sweet or if it is the yellow crimson, and the reason I can't tell you which one it is because I planted 3 plants together, and if you are familiar with watermelon plants, they just grow and grow and grow and grow. So I'm pretty sure that a lot of them got, intertwined. So I'm not completely sure if it's the yellow crimson or if it's the orange tender sweet, but it'll be a nice surprise when I cut into it either way. So some of the indications that I have that is ripe and that the watermelon is ready to be picked is, it is heavy. Okay, this has turned yellow. It's turned yellow. When I knock on it, it is a nice hollow sound. The stem is starting to dry out and the tendrils are already dry. So I think it's ready, and I really hope it's ready. Okay, I just picked it up and it was so heavy. It has to be at least 20 pounds. Has to be at least 20 pounds. So let's go ahead and get this into the house. I've brought the watermelon inside and I put it on my food scale that I use, to weigh my meat and keep my portions right or whatever. Try to anyway. And it said error. So I was like, this watermelon is huge. So I went and got my scale that I use to ship out packages and weigh them before I ship them out. And it says that it is 19 pounds and 15 ounces. So I was really close when I said that it had to be at least 20 pounds. Really close, like almost off like an ounce. So I am going to cut into it, and it's going to be a surprise for you as well as a surprise for me of what kind of watermelon it is. And I just really hope that it's sweet, because who doesn't love sweet melon? Crazy people, that's who. Okay, let's see. Lewis is about to cut the melon. Let's make a guess first. Do you think it's the orange tender sweet, or do you think it's the yellow crimson?
Orange.
I think it's orange too. Why's my heart beating fast? I'm trying to peek, trying to cheat.
We almost at the moment of truth.
What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Orange. It's so pretty. Hold it up so they can see it. Down some, like right there. Yeah. Ooh, move it slow. Watermelon bone. Like right there. There we go. Ooh, and it looks so juicy. I'm excited. It smells sweet.
Yeah, it does.
Ah!
I don't know how I should continue cutting it.
Okay, so here is the orange tender sweet watermelon. I've already been eating it. I'm not gonna lie to you. We both been eating it. The kids have had some too. And everybody really likes it. I give it like a 9 out of 10 because it's sweet. And I like sweet melon. What you give it, Lewis?
That sounds about right.
It's just so juicy and it's so sweet. But yes, it's juicy, it's sweet. It tastes like, we was trying to put our finger on the taste because it doesn't really taste like watermelon. It tastes, I said it tastes like all the melons. Like, it tastes like watermelon, cantaloupe, and honeydew mixed together. That's the best I could come up with. But it's really, really good. I don't know what else to compare it to. What you think, Lou? What do you think it tastes like?
I mean, it has the texture of watermelon, but it doesn't really taste like it. It's almost as sweet as honeydew, but it's got the color of cantaloupe. So
Yeah. So it's like it's all three. It's like you get the best of three worlds. It's really good. I wish I could compare it to something, but I just don't know what. Like, it's like it just has its own taste.
yeah.
It's like the taste is familiar, but I don't know what it's really familiar with.
Like I said, the texture reminds you of watermelon, but I think the flavor is more honeydew, cantaloupe-ish in between those.
But yeah, I'll definitely be growing this again. This is a hit. The kids have like a huge piece upstairs to themselves. So the watermelon wasn't hard to grow. I'll actually have another video of that as well, of how to grow lots of watermelon. I actually tried a different method this time, and I actually tried to grow them vertically because I wanted to save a little bit of space. I don't think that I'll actually do that next year, only because it ended up not saving me much space. And plus, it was a little bit more work. Next year, I won't be doing that. I'll just let them sprawl and do whatever it is that they want to do. Just do their thing. So make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, as well as comment in the comment section down below. Let me know, have you tried orange tender sweet watermelon before? Will you be growing it next year? Are you growing it now? Let your girl know in the comment section, because I want to hear from you, as well as turn on the notifications and you'll know when I upload another video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.